Bonjour tout le monde, hello everybody, this is Lo from Lo App Design. Alright, so let's get started. Before we start anything, we have to open SketchUp. I keep it on my dock, I'm working on Mac, okay? So open SketchUp, go to File, New from Template, and then that will open a box with a lot of different templates. You select the one you want because we are going to work in interior design mainly. Then I personally choose interior, and you have the option to go matrix or imperial. So I go imperial because I'm North America. So once you select and click on your template, then it opens the template, set template. First thing you want to do before doing anything else is you want to save it. So File, Save As, enter the name you want. For the purpose of the demonstration, I will enter SketchUp Tutorial 1. Select where you want to save it, and then save it. And from that time on, you will know exactly where to find your template. Before you start working, I think it's a very good idea to do that. And that's it. That was the first short lesson on how to select and open a template to start working on SketchUp. To subscribe to my channel because next lesson will be about how to set the style of your template to start working and make it pretty. So click that button subscribe and I will see you on the next lesson.